How to use Walgreens earwax removal kit. So to be able to use Walgreens earwax removal kit, first go ahead and tilt your head to the side so your head is facing upward. You may need to lean forward a little and turn your neck so your ear is facing as upright as possible. This will have the drops go deep into your ear canal. Remove earrings or any other jewelry that might come in contact with the solution or get in the way of your tilting your head. Lean your head against a pillow and, if possible, have a friend administer the drops so you're more comfortable. Now, squeeze 5 to 10 drops into your ear. Hold the tip of the applicator bottle just above your ear and slightly squeeze the dropper bottle until you feel 5 to 10 drops go into your ear. You can also use a mirror or have a friend or family member count or squeeze in the drops for you. Now, keep your head tilted to hold the drops into your ear for 5 minutes. If you're using the drops in your bathroom, scoot over to a couch or a chair for about 5 minutes to keep your ear facing upwards as much as possible. You can also sit down on the side of the bathtub and lean on one elbow. You can stand if you like, but sitting or laying down might be easier on your neck and back for the next few minutes. Now use a bulb ear syringe to flush your ear with warm water. After letting the solution sit in your ear, lean your head over a sink or bathtub to let it drain out. Then fill the bulb ear syringe with warm water. Flush your ear canal by squeezing the bulb. If your kit did not come with a bulb ear syringe, simply cup warm water in your hand and flush your ear that way. Use earwax drops 2 times a day for up to 4 days. Now, avoid using earwax drops if you have severe ear pain or other conditions. And that is how you can basically use Walgreens earwax removal kit.